In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify opening soon, launch Shopify store. If your Shopify store is showing opening soon instead of being live to customers, it usually means your store hasn't been fully launched yet. This message appears on your storefront when the store is still in password protected mode, which Shopify uses to allow store setup before public launch. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard in here in your web browser or in the Shopify app. From there, navigate to Online Store. Now, click on Preferences. At the top, you'll see the Password Protection section. If the Enable Password box is checked, your store is still in restricted mode, which is why visitors see the Opening Soon message. Simply uncheck this box and click Save. Once disabled, your store will be accessible to anyone with your domain, effectively launching it to the public. Before you remove password protection, double-check that all critical store elements are ready. Make sure your products, collections, and pages are live, your theme settings are configured, and your shipping and payment methods are properly set up. This ensures that once visitors arrive, they can browse and make purchases without issues. If your store still shows opening soon after removing the password, it might be a caching issue. Clear your browser cache or open your store in an incognito window to confirm it's live. Also, check that your domain is properly connected if you're using a custom domain. Sometimes, an unverified or incorrectly pointed domain can prevent your store from appearing publicly. Once the password is disabled and your domain is correctly set up, your Shopify store will be fully live, ready to welcome customers. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.